Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Superbox review. Is it legal? Thinking about getting a Superbox? Let's clear up the big question. Is it legal? The hardware itself is perfectly legal. At its core, Superbox is just an Android TV box, no different from many others on the market. The legal trouble begins with how you use it. If you stream unauthorized, pirated content through pre-installed or third-party apps, that's where you risk copyright infringement, ISP warnings, fines, or even service termination. Beyond legality, users also report performance issues like buffering, buggy firmware, limited storage, and weak Wi Fi. The safest approach: stick to official streaming platforms such as Netflix, Disney Plus, or Hulu, and avoid apps promising free movies. Regularly check and uninstall any apps you don't trust, and consider isolating the device on a guest Wi Fi for extra security. In short, Superbox itself is legal, but streaming pirated content is not, and that decision carries real risk. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.